So the atrium here at the museum it's really like the heart of the museum, I think. We do a lot of exciting activities in here, education programs, receptions of all kinds. It's a real gathering space. And so with this roof upgrade and replacement, I really think it creates a more coherent feel overall. I mean, the light profile is consistent throughout. It just feels a lot more illuminated and bright, and I think the feeling that everyone has had so far walking into the space, it just feels like it's a lot warmer and more inviting. Really has made me kind of notice all the other things that I would love to fix in the space down the road. But the roof is beautiful, and I think the light, like I said, is consistent, and I think people are going to be excited to be back in here. For our facility in general, I mean, I think the environmental controls and sort of controlling the heating and cooling, I think it will help dramatically with that, actually. I think it's going to be a great space for us to welcome groups in, whether those are youth or adults learning something or getting together and really celebrating what makes this museum unique. Just thank you for investing the time and resources into this. I think our museum is a beloved cultural facility here in Santa Fe, and we're excited to sort of have this partnership to help keep moving things forward.